2 grips. Now grips are stage hands for the movies, so they need to be big, strong, Arnold Schwarzenegger types. Okay, and you. Yes, you're perfect. Oh, they look exactly like. What's your name? Where are you from? From Atlanta? Another Atlanta, okay. What's your name? Where are you from?
Jonathan, New Jersey.
New Jersey, I guess. Okay. Now I've got my grips and my shoppers. Come on down here. Stand right over here on these little marks here. In just a moment, actually turn around, face the door, because in just a moment you're going to be going through that door into the Earthquake Theater. Please stop when you get to the end of the railing. Go on into the first row, but stop when you get to the end of the railing, because you'll be in there. You can relax, you'll watch a show. Then when you get to the soundstage, someone will take you backstage and explain exactly what you'll be doing, okay? How about a big round of applause for our
the stairs as well, leaving some office workers trapped 25 floors above the street. The scene really looked marvelous on screen, but the 25 stories and a lot of the best things in the movie were created with what we call a matte painting. Matte paintings, as well as miniatures, are also used to provide scenic elements that either don't exist or would be too expensive to reproduce. The live action is typically shot first, and the area to be painted is blacked out. Next, the scene is completed by making a painting that only covers the portion that was blacked out in the live shot. The painting and the live action are then combined. This is how it looks. That was great, wasn't it? Now, if I can just find the director, we'll try and recreate one of the scenes from the movie right here in the stage.
Right here, Mr. Heston. Lights on the set, please. Quiet on the set, everyone. You ready up there, Alex? I'm going to give you action. You start lowering them, okay? Don't play around up there now. Action! Whoops. That was pretty realistic, wasn't it, folks? As you can see, is what's happening, folks. So we apologize for all this craziness. Shoppers, come on out here. Let's see if we can get this one right. I'd like you to go right on up the stairs about midway, and you go right over here to that mark. There you go. There's your ex. She found it for you. Oops, I better go around here. Oops, sorry about that. Just about took out a grip. Let me set the scene for you. We're at a shopping mall at the corner of Hollywood and Vine. You're going from the 6th floor up to the 7th floor, okay? That's you guys on the escalator. So if you'd face that way, it might look real convincing, okay? Perfect, thanks. You're gonna face this way, okay? We're at a shopping mall at the corner of Hollywood and Vine. The big one strikes. You shake, stagger, scream, make farm animal noises, anything you can do to convince us that this is the big one. We're going for 8.5 on the Richter scale, okay? Shop till you drop, basically. That's all you have to do. Grip 1, when I point to you and say grip 1, go, don't leave, okay? Just do your thing. Grip 2, when I say grip 2, go, that's your cue. Don't leave, do your thing. You're the off-camera shoppers. We can't see you, so we have to hear you. Scream like banshees, okay? Shake and stagger, too, if you want. We don't care. Attention, shoppers. Blue light special. Everybody see that big blue screen behind our shoppers? In the industry, we call that cleverly enough a big blue screen. And this camera will electronically remove the color blue so we can drop in previously shot footage. If you're wearing the colored blue, you'll be buck naked. We should probably check real fast. No, lights, please. Roll cameras, please. Watch the center screen. We're going to drop in the MCA Capitol Records building. Make this one look good, guys. Playback. And action, shake, stagger, scream.